All right, let's switch gears and take a look outside where you see the sun coming up in Bakersfield and how colorful it is. That's because of all the smoke and still some pollution that is trapped here in the valley. You can see how much smoke is really trapped there in the Kern River Valley as well. They've been complaining about the smell of smoke for a couple weeks now. Our friends in Tehachapi and Frazier Park are also noticing how bad it's getting. And in the South Valley, look at that sunrise. With all of that smoke for us, we can smell it. We're breathing it in. It's hard on our lungs. And we're at 81 degrees. So the heat continues on top of that as we stay very stagnant. The fires continue to burn in the Sequoia National Forest, but we also have those fires near Yosemite, the Ferguson and the Lyons fires. They're putting out most of the smoke that's affecting all of the valley, our local mountains, and even our desert community included in this air quality warning, which is also called an air quality alert if that's what your phone gave you the alert for. Now, it's affecting all of Kern County until these fires are extinguished. And we've been saying that the recommendation is for young children, older adults, and those with sensitive lungs to stay inside. But even healthy adults can see some serious health problems, aggravated lung disease. It can cause asthma attacks and acute bronchitis, and the other increased risk of respiratory illnesses. So take it easy out there, because not only is it smoky, but we have these two ridges of high pressure keeping us sunny and stable and very hot. This area of orange all up and down the valley, our heat advisory, which was extended, the excessive heat warning staying in effect for our desert locations and just down to our south, because those temperatures 105 here in Bakersfield today and tomorrow, still holding on to those 100s as we head into the beginning of August next week. Currently, we've had 16 days in a row of 100s. You see another 10 to go. By the time we get to Sunday, we will have had 33 days of 100s total this season. Now, usually we get 33 for a whole season, so we know it's going to be an above average summer. As we talk about the Kern River Valley, also seeing the 100s across the board for Tehachapi, that means low 90s for you. Frazier Park 90 today, and then upper 80s with some more clouds, a little more humidity heading into next week. We'll try and see if we can get some thunderstorms building in those mountains Tuesday and Wednesday.